Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hey, what's up?
What's your vlog?
Welcome to
Vlog.
My vlog.
Welcome to our channel. Alright. Meron na tayong channel, di ba? Alright.
Hi guys. This is Gar.
So, aalis kami today. Yeah, may lakad lang kami today. Hahatid namin yung mami. Hatid namin ito si mami.
Lags ako. Char.
So, hatid namin si mami. And then pagkatapos, papakarwash kami kasi parang 3 linggo na ata since nagalis kami, hindi pa napapakarwash yung sasakyan namin. So, hatid kay mami, then after pakarwash kami, then yung 2 kids nag-request ng McDo. Drive-thru lang kami ng McDo, guys. And then we're good.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. Alam to sulit ang magto para play me. Hi guys. Ako
Sorry.
lipstick. Ako lipstick.
Nasira daw yung lipstick niya. Sorry, girl. Today, we're going to
Tumbakto.
McDo.
Yes.
Oh yes, by the way, we're on our potty training for Pinkay. So the goal is dapat before going to Coron, kay ano na siya, potty trained na siya. Hindi na siya mag-diaper, right?
We're going to
Ready na ka di mag-diaper? Yes?
Yes. Guys.
Dahil po isa. Iba naman yung topic ng isa.
We're going to play some
Gusto mo mag-play sa McDo? Sige.
Oh! Ito.
Kaya mo yan, daddy. Duh. Kaya ni daddy yan. 2 kids mag-play sa McDo. Diba?
Let's play some matula. I friend.
Hi, friend. Nice slide.
Na I slide. And na I show. And
So this is the city I'm going to miss. City life to island life soon. This is our daddy, always the driver. And never the passenger prince.
Never been.
And me, always the passenger princess. And also this little girl. Are you shy?
yes.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy, baby.
Guys, is nanay at siya nanay balay.
Going to my sister's house. Wala, may errands lang kami. Tapos ako maghawak kay baby Seri.
It's mine.
Okay, so say bye-bye, mommy. Hey, here. Let's go. Say bye-bye, mommy. Ayun na, bye-bye, mommy. So,
Magto, tati magto.
let's McDo tayo. Punta tayong McDo.
Ito na ba? Hindi naman bunganggol to. Magto. Gusto ko play sa magto. Alam siya hello. Alam siya
Ano siya, hello?
Alam siya ang dog.
Okay, hello guys.
Daddy.
So, nahatid na namin si mami.
I want to play sa magto.
Yan, nahatid na namin si mami, guys. And then, ngayon, magpapakarwash lang kami. So, after magpakarwash, punta tayo ng McDonald's.
At ato na sa magto.
Pwede mag-drive-thru lang ta? Pwede mag-drive-thru lang?
I want to play
Ah?
I'll play some Mato. Right, and I want pink.
You want to?
I want to fight and pink is the car.
You want
I
a pink bike?
Yes.
Later, magpa-car wash muna tayo. Pa-car wash si Daddy, ha? Kasi it's very dirty ang car.
Adi, nato na po ito. Like car wash. Adi. Hala. May makaon. Hello guys. Today we'll... Hala ang tao.
Yo, what's up? Malinis na yung kotse natin, guys. Done na tayo nagpa-car wash. So, ngayon, request nga ng mga bata, punta daw kami ng... Saan? Saan tayo pupunta? Sa McDonald's.
Sa Mato.
Yan, gusto nilang kumain sa McDonald's. Meron tayong small camera dito, guys. Oh. Napakaganda niya na. Nagpa-flash din yan, no? Alright. Cute, diba? Alala. Flex ko lang yung mini camera natin. Alam yung napapansin niyo yung pag nagpapa-car wash kayo, tapos biglang uulan, masakit sa feelings yun, guys. Masakit sa feelings yun. Parang uulan. Malapit na akong maniwala sa sumpa na yan. Yung sumpa na magpa-car wash ka tapos uulanin naman. But anyways, yan talaga. Yan talaga ang buhay. Weather lang. Diba? Okay lang yan. Ano nang gusto mong kainin? Cheesy burger. Sa'yo, Pinkay, anong gusto mo? Spaghetti. Okay. How about chicken?
Yes.
Okay, chicken spaghetti. Okay. Order tayo ng chicken spaghetti. Okay. Okay.
Dito.
Yes, we'll ask. Meron ba silang Minecraft? Wala na toys. Ano na lang, sorry, cheesy burger.
Okay, sir. Hindi na lang ako.
Wala lang drinks.
Solo lang. Ano ba po?
Solo lang. Tapos chicken spaghetti.
Okay.
Solo lang gyapon.
Okay. Adi.
Yes. What?
Hi.
Wala na sila available toys lagi. Nahurot na daw. Wala na. Daddy na lang. Thank you. My coins. Wala na daw toys. Hey guys. We got our McDo. Okay. Tayo si Daddy ha. Harap. So we got our burger. Show your burger here. Sarap. Subo si Daddy, subo. Sarap. 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 What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? What's yours?
Super 8.
This one. Let's try that one. This one. Wait, show me your surprise egg. Show here, show here. What's your surprise egg? Oh, you give it there. You give it there, magpita. Ayun na. Let's go. You hold this one. Come here, Kai. And tapos na kami sa lakad namin today, guys. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.